fine boy.
Fine boy, yeah.
Les in the house. The Marcus in the house.
Oh,
Here we go.
yeah. See, go. Why you won't come to take me the pose? Check me out from my head to my toes. See what you missing, girl. I'll be fine by you. Every day you come to me shakara. Too much fluffy, not so younger. See what you missing, girl. I'll be fine by you. See, hello, Sissy, how you doing? I just wanna know you. I just wanna know you better. Wanna come to you closer. The way you did look, like say you no. Said I fine for you, yeah, open your mind. The way you did them more, you no need them at all. Check out what you missing, girl. Girl, I'm sexy and girl, I'm cute. Take a look at me. Oh, you don't see but what I mean. Oh, why you won't come to take me the pose? Check me out from my head to my toes.
Let's go.
See what you missing, girl. I'll be fine for you. Every time you gon' make me jagala. Too much coffee, not so younger. See what you missing, girl. I'll be fine for you. L-O-C-C, look in my eyes and tell me so you don't know. I got a love to give, just one chance I need. The way you did look me, like say you no. Then I find for you, yeah, I'm an African pride. The way you did them more, you no need them at all. Check out what you missing, girl. Girl, I'm sexy and girl, I'm cute. Take a look at me, you don't see what I mean. Yeah, I'll be fine for you. Oh yeah, you'll be fine for you.
Hey yo.
You'll be fine for you. Yeah, you'll be fine for you. Everybody in the house, wanna fine for you. Yeah, see you believe me. Fine boy, yeah. Oh, you'll be fine for you. Are you solution? Hey yo, everybody not fine boy. Hey, the girls them. When I'm saying not fine girls them, we don't understand.
Wanna be fine girl.
Wanna be fine girls, so yeah.
Hey yo, let's go.
Let's you all put some spice in it.
Just a reminder.
Now,
You
so,
gotta know.
everybody now.
As I don't see you so, I'm not gonna let you go. I don't see you so, I know go ever let you go. Where I don't see you so, I know go ever let you go.
Oh, yeah.
Where I don't see you so, I know go ever let you go.
Oh,
Where I don't see you so, I know go ever let you go.
oh.
Baby, I gon' let me lie for you. Anything you want, I go buy for you. Make I don't lie, I really care for you. Every day, every night, yeah. Baby, I gon' let me lie for you. Anything you want, I go buy for you. Make I don't lie, I really care for you. Every day, every night, yeah. Anything you want, I go buy for you. Everything you need, I go give to you. And I go even let me lie for you. Because I really care for you. I like how you can make me. Anything when you do, I they see. You they talk to me, fine, treat me nice. Always I want you to give me twice.
Jealousy and envy.
It's still the more of me.
Hey.
Jealousy and envy. You know, so we talk to the world of them, you know, make sure you be safe every single time. And don't forget to stop, never stop praying. Whoa, 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 yeah.
Up and down, gold man get within the monogam. But if we show a little love, it go ease away we pain. You get love in all your heart, you get joy in all your side. That's how the thing go. It no matter if you black or white, you are still my brother. Hey. It no matter by your race or class or your ethnic culture. Ooh, up in your eye and see love not the solution. Mama, oh, papa, oh, not the word that's as a method. The whole of them say give a little love. When you wake up in the morning, show a little love, yeah. I say no worry about the rest, my people, may I tell you know this. Give a little love, when you wake up in the morning. It's alright, 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 alright. Put a smile on the next man's face now. Lord, what a nice thing to see. Say men the team the limber lock and make we rock so. Lord, come make we nice up the scene. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We all need to make that effort to show one another love. I say we are stronger together. My brother, we stronger together. So give a little love when you wake up in the morning. Show a little love, yeah, Lord. Don't worry about the rest, my youth or your children. Give a little love. See when you wake up in the morning, it's alright. Lord, now say circle down. Oh, baby. Say circle down. Me tell you, I say make sure you be safe, people. Circle down. Me tell you no Block Jones, I tell you no say it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, Lord. So give a little love when you wake up in the morning. Show a little love, yeah. Lord, no worry about the rest of children. Me tell you no, give a little love when you wake up in the morning, yeah. It's alright, you know. But you know, say big up to Priority Solutions, you know, once again, you know, the original man. Block to the Jones to talk to the people, them, you know. Stay safe. I know that Jah is in control, you know. Them can't kill us, them can't kill us. Say we still live longer. So settle down, it's alright. Give a little love when you wake up in the morning. Show a little love. Yeah. So show a little love. Yeah. It's alright, you know. Peace, love, and blessing be to you all, you know. Boom!
Hi, Jama, assalamu alaikum. Of course, one of the few things that will happen during this corona, every negative thing get positive. The corona will come, it not fine, yes, but if fine back will come, at least people are in our house. Then again, what they say, like, max up, it fine. Because at some point, some people and be don't they not be even get respect for small mouth. But because they don't begin max up, yeah, you don't know when they talk to you, copy, no, we feel una sense there. Some of you will feel una sense, will feel pain. But not gonna tell una now they don't say max up. Some man they talk better because you go just collapse. Where you own every small mouth go to kill you. That make people them they follow for China. You don't say Chinese man, they use small mouth in like if they 10%, then they high grade, then go to them 15-20%. Yes. Look, just think am. Imagine they eat garlic, they eat monkey, they eat bat, blend all that in there. If you talk, they don't collapse. I mean, corona be there. Let's talk the other thing that will actually be happen now. You know, recently, when they say lockdown, this guy who get people and see don't know more now for good news, fake news, fine news. So now he pulling drone. Now I put battery para I charger. Now I fly. The thing begin fly. Don't snap them 13th Street. Now Eastern end o. I need to go commode the cross country, commode set guard. It can't no free. No side for go na Wilberforce barrack. Now the battery go left far. They just see the go name no. Now land. The go na in they tell them now. Are they Wilberforce? Not to the junction no. Are they inside the barrack? Not to go take another thing. The left to the left day. You all go mind no for go take am. You know, I get respect for the army, especially Salo army. This talk like left here. Sujama, na two things that be na order. Stop and behave. So you go fall inside the trap na problem. I make for understand say India they talk say hey, India na the first country wey do brain surgery, successful one. Yeah, you go na news. But it's a lie. Mama, I first do brain surgery. Successful one. When mama slap you, they cancel. You brain they settle. Think of Soja Man there now. When are they support mama there, papa there? When Soja Man you, bah! You may know what's up. You know? So, in a sense, some of who they talk about brain surgery and other things, they not talk about overuse or misuse of drug. At this one side way, some people they smoke. And people who they smoke, of course that thing they ain't get plenty name. You get the pine eye, you get chromite, you get matambet, you get Puloko 55. When they smoke, the voice they change. They're not the normal. You see pots with the smoke jamba, you go the TV. You go to talk normal, oh Sam, what's up? What's like boy, you begin take the tea. Sam, yeah for the sea. Sam, if I tell you, somebody can fail $1 million. Would I get my loss $1 million? Are you a losser? Are you person go loss? Are you can fail? Well, nothing no more. I mean, like one body. Sam, you believe say last election, Mother be on at we be there. Now you know chief minister. Where you don't get to there? You all kind go talk. I don't know if now the weed can get excess or with you know. I didn't get to the last time. The guy in a Wall Street though. Hey, today we go beach you. And I go swim. We go middle sea. I watch up. Biodi idepango. Small minute. So I mean I go so now I watch. If be cacking foot. Hey, me would don't take me 1 foot now. I go there. If I person not give me 1 foot to go there. Oh. I tell her say I'm not a foot you cack so. Eh, better on a counter. Next minute, I begin. Sam, now go out and go so there. I would take me phone now. A shock. Now be only key for we all two. Now for drive. I dey watch her. Sam, would take me phone bo. Now phone ring. Now pick her. Hello. Santos there call me back here. I dey fail me phone. Sam, now open her footstep and I watch on there for me phone. I say I don't care. You know, and we facing now weed no more they misuse. I tell you the I think that the only cause give it to Papa's water I don't say. It didn't say Papa's water it put you off. You know, but I'm adulty. I say I go like the gym. So I go in the fan pack and all that thing. Then I go meet one man. Say Sam, you need to help me. Man, you feel pain. I say Sam, if you feel pain, I for take 2 tramadol. No more. I take 2 tramadol. The pain still. Me no say the thing they work by time. Now add 6 per the 2. You go to check and then now. The only thing the last thing I remember. Now I drink water. Now morning. I come on I don't know. You know the yard don't be dog to we. All my day, hey Kindo thank you. Hey Kindo thank you. Let God bless you. Kindo thank you. A shock. I wanna tell me take is one small picking anchor. Uncle Kindo. Hey, thank you. You don't know. Now I crop the latri for we. Now I book them close there. Uncle Kindo, you didn't try oh. Even Ula lady. Now you book. And that Ula lady they go there for. Now they take it on puss. Uona. La lady left for top puss. Them boy they eat puss. If you do any Ula ladies, I be there put over pocket waste. Ula lady amende. You get inside pocket waste. What they work a catwalk. The moment they see her they miss her. Now I say mama, that's the way you told you don't fight. Everywhere I don't get sorry at all. It mean like you know money, of course, comedian of the public salon. I want to say social distance is key, and the most important thing that we try as best as possible for Fed Corona.
Scare me, baby. Wow. boss lady. I swear, man, I'm mad by your vibe. I mad by your vibe. I know I travel.
Second. Yes, me na sana Bingbi aka the Mami picking number 1 for all the reason. A day out today to nuka pai. We need for listening to parliament then. Because go back waiting and tell you if we do we no ko encourage corona can't of us. Ikoko. We na see me and cough self bing bend elbow. If you want sneeze, not touch the eye, the nose and the mouth. So I believe say corona koko say comot. N80 not I can RUT na so they go FUP FUP. And I believe say today only we dey cut you off priority solution. And I believe say today only we all go enjoy N80 not. So you see. So I'm gonna tell you now, when I see this description and you got me the quote. And me na doctor we don't come for can cut this coronavirus quick one. I dey see people they tire for pick the one that we get the virus. It's very simple. If it this system, we me they can kill na to know. If una use am, una go get coronavirus people them fast. Just say, now we just empty the stadium. No. We put soldier man then there. We announce na TB say anybody will get corona symptoms or virus, can a stadium will go give you $1,000. Mind you, me people there before they say 3 days, stadium go down flop. Because why? All man want $1,000. More we announce no more. We go get the one that we get the sick, they go there. But if we see don't so no more, we say pass who that get a no more make yes or no. He no get for work. Ma tell you now one thing. It's that 3 days lockdown, na that see Lord Adede. 3 days lockdown, na that go see with me felt eye. I see Pikin they play na street. I see Pikin they play na street. What did they do? Now I then say this Pikin will not go beat Tango. But in papa or in mama we left am for can play na street here, now we wait for. Yeah, the papa him be don't do one thing before. Where can 9 people? 1 he hide. Second people. The third people na gagben preneko. Now they say come. Now they say Pikin way papa. Now they say papa, now they say hey, who da born you? Not to me born you, now they say not to argument. Oh man, not to you born now. Now they say me the Pikin I born the guy is in the list to me talk. No. But this way born this way una come meet in a street so. Not to me born now. So you don't see and the sickness way they see so it bad. I bad now if you then point person say Ali mami, you dey so you get corona, they vex. It don't happen during Ebola. One man, and mama die with Ebola. But who that get the heart for tell and say mama die with Ebola, I get cutlass. As you say, your mama not to Ebola kill her, they run after you with cutlass. After the sick, now the wait people and send money, now then say, well, we are going to sympathize to the people them we lost their beloved one them. Each and every person could collect $1,000 with one estate and una can join the line. The man where be don't vex say in mama not to corona not to Ebola killer. Can't see another line where tense. Now in the second as the one caller next, now the Pikin come out.
Uncle Alimami, I mean say mama not die by Ebola. You know they come here.
Now says, I dey buy for you lollipop.
I said, no. Now that be all cutlass. He be say, he dey kill person wey say him mama die for Ebola.
Na in the soldier come. Mister, if you sure say your mama no die for Ebola, come on at the line. I say, hey, not so. Now so me and this bobo ki ambogu self. Now so we the ambogu self. Me. He go see something. Me and your papa dey work bad in house. Wait. The man see the money live for LIVV or ticket and kalam. So I believe say if you this sick come, you get the virus or you get the symptoms now us. Mind you, call 117. Make them go check you. The keyword why they tell you turn on. If you work for go na hospital, you dey work for commodity. But if you allow motocar go check you for carry go hospital, na motocar go carry go na bedding ground. So the best thing to do ya, this is sick now who for join on for pusher because man not say for go fetang. You mistake church and back now war. You see the problem? Even with sweetest greeting, tell the way they meet up. Eh, Otemuperi, second. Now so the church yourself, who brace yourself. Now boxing business don't come. Hey, my guy. Bam. This is now for boxer. This. Then get the amputee na ya. Football like akatek na the foot. So mind you, I believe say na me and you for join on for push this coronavirus. Kobata, more we wash we earn them with soap and water. If you get this thing, how did they call themselves? I'm problem of Santi, no. Santi. Okay, you know now. Just take and say no more now. Rubber for the hand. Now so no more the thing they go. But I believe say the state of emergency no problem. The 3 days lockdown I no get problem with that because I don't gallant now. Now 3 days lockdown I pull jaw because I eat a rest I be get. I not been get waka. So mind you, Mr. President, if even the sick don't go, every last 3 days of the month, go the lock we more go the gallant. Saloma lek money, even the time for rest. As you call for my mikuka, the grab go. You know, I rest. Go the lock we I like that. That's my guy. As well. Anyway, we go give you second. Now that the tapan. We go give you second. Hey, my boss no cost me mama who. Now second na tapan.
Yeah. I go by the name Mangs to the wall, yeah. Just a quick message from the people them out there. Coronavirus is real. So make sure say you wash your hands frequently. Stay at home, you and your family. And be safe, right? Peace. Yeah. But me against for off alley. The way for you get to get Nambara. Anything where you offer more, me and him must say papa lava. But me against with this one Allah. I tire, I sick with this one Allah. I fed up, I don't want this married, yeah. I wish I not be ever married. But me against for off alley. The way for you get to get Nambara. Anything where you offer more, me and him must say papa lava. But me against with this one Allah. I tire, I sick with this one Allah. I fed up, I don't want this married, yeah. I wish I not be ever married. Yeah. Little music by the way. Hands to the wall. Yeah. Listen, yo. Anything where you offer more, man know they happy for kinda us. So many things have been happening. The wealth where you get na throat. Na real don't go lower throat. The devil are taking put on a host. Yeah. Look, I don't really know what came right over me, yeah. Move for cock, now my wife don't cock right over me, yeah. Baby don't talk for me, yeah. Been a like examadon, all to the most for me. Look, look how they behave to me. No, they give me the respect I deserve. She nagging and nagging and nagging so heavily. Yeah, almost said that for the set to read. How? Me not snitch, me not cheat. Me not the one superman, not they take care of me own kids. I pay the bills, I pay the fees. I even get a business money, but still not see profit. Put me against for off alley. The work for you get to get number. Anything where you offer more, me and him must say for palava. But me against with this wahala. I tire, I sick with this wahala. I fed up, I know one is married, yeah. I wish I not be ever married. But me against for off alley. The work where you get to get number. Anything where you offer more, me and him must say for palava. But me against with this wahala. I tire, I sick with this wahala. I fed up, I know one is married, yeah. I wish I not be ever married, yeah. Yeah. Games. Man's to the wall. Big up priority solution. Yeah. Yeah. Man's to the wall, you know. Oh yeah. Listen, yo. If you guy, let it talk. If you bomb, let it talk. If you tall, let it talk. If you short, let it talk. If you rich, let it talk. If you poor, let it talk. Salo man to let talk. All team, let it talk. So let it talk. Let it talk. Let it talk. Let it talk. So let it talk. Let it talk. Let it talk. Let it talk. If you rich, let it talk. If you poor, let it talk. Salo man to let talk. All team, let it talk. Yeah. People them want to they go like a skit pump, they know they lock months. And that way some market grab the money, know they want the money, just a joke and you talk. Information minister, CND, all about we say hey, that you talk. They don't talk, I not talk. But I talk, I go fire you more. You know for a really talk, you go dock you more. All of my own business, you the shaman. You only locking up a box, yeah. Get a job, son. Congo San no get good outcome. Think of how to make billions. It's steady, the jam need a bubble gum. Congo San in all the bill. Pension self not even though. For that you stand on me tell you. Etina ya una do. Etina ya una do. Now all this I get for sale. Now all this I get for sale. Etina ya una day. So let it talk. Let it talk. Let it talk. Let it talk. So let it talk. Let it talk. Let it talk. Let it talk. If you rich, let it talk. If you poor, let it talk. Salo man to let talk. All team, let it talk. So let it talk. Let it talk. Let it talk. Let it talk. So let it talk. Let it talk. Let it talk. Let it talk. If you die, let it talk. If you bomb, let it talk. If you rich, let it talk. If you poor, yeah. It don't take so where they want the bench. Like who's fancy, they drop the fence. You knock yourself if you want yourself. You just got a news pass here and self. Got a good life for this bad son. Fix your life right cause it's left son. Be name out of your mouth, talk chewing gum. Talk so about me, I come and talk son. I don't play right, I don't play fair. I'm not a nice guy, I'm not a good fella. I'm a bad boy, no Will Smith. And I don't regret when I do shit. So we get you by me name. Trust, nigga, you gon' use your front teeth. And I show all this not real shit. That's a big head, do not sleep kid. You go start in all the bill. Pressure yourself not even know. For like you see, I don't be tell you. Etina ya una do. Etina ya una do. Now all this I get for sale. Now all this I get for sale. Etina ya una do. So let it talk. Hands to the wall, you know. Big up priority solution again. Big up flow music. Shout out to each and every one of y'all. Yeah. Washian on the regular. Stay at home and be safe, alright?